Hi everyone, welcome to a short introduction video on how to use GarageBand for your podcast. So first open GarageBand. It's the program with a logo like this. You can find it by using your spotlight, typing in Garage, and that way you should be able to open the app. When you open the app, you see this empty project. Just click on the button showing you empty project, and then it will ask you what you want as your input device. Select neem op via een microfoon of lijninvoer of sleep audiobestanden. That way you can select invoer 1, which is 1, and you don't need to select anything else. It should automatically select ingebouwde microfoon, which is the microphone in your laptop, and that should mean you are good to go. Click on Maak aan, and it should open a new project. So, because it's a music program, it will automatically use a metronome. This we don't want because we want to record a talk. So we click this, we click this. That way, the only thing it records is our voices. So if you click here, you can mute yourself. You click here, you can only hear your own headphones. And if you click the record button like this, you will be able to start recording. My lovely voice is now recording two things, both the video and the audio file. So just click stop record after this, and you should be able to play back your recording.
Able to start recording. My lovely voice is now recording two things, both the video and the audio file.
So, we've now established how to record our audio. Then, we can also adapt our audio settings to use a voiceover. So, any of these buttons can be used to make your voice sound a bit different. Compressed vocal is a very good general setting to make your voice sound a bit better and a bit more full. But you can experiment with these as you see fit. When you are done with your project, the only thing you need to do is go to Archief, click Bewaar als, and save it like this: Humanities dash prehistoric podcast dash group names, and then save it in a place you can find back later. So your default setting will be your bureaublad or your desktop, and then click Bewaar, and it should automatically update everything and save your file like this. Have fun recording your prehistoric podcast, and good luck with your first Humanities project. Thank you.